Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to create a beautiful vegetable flower arrangement. Let's get started. First, select a fresh carrot and cut out flower petal shapes. Make sure they're uniform and delicate. Next, take the green part of a radish and cut out leaf designs. These will add a lovely texture to our arrangement. Now select the small, round part of the carrot and attach the flower petals to it. This will create the center of our flower. Moving on, make a square base from the red part of the radish. Then, cut out a cube from the green part of the radish and attach it above the base. Next, make another base from the red part of the radish and attach a red and orange circle above the cube. This will add a pop of color to our design. Now it's time to add the flowers and leaves to our arrangement. Attach them above the cube in front of the circle. And that's it. Our beautiful vegetable flower arrangement is complete. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more fun and creative tutorials. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we're going to create a stunning flower design using radish and carrot. Let's get started. First, select a fresh, round-shaped radish. Make sure it's firm and has no signs of wilting. Now, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this radish. It's going to be the star of our show. Next, make flower petals on the radish by carefully carving out the design. Use a sharp knife and gently cut out the petal shapes. Don't worry if they're not perfect. We can always adjust them later. Now, cut the radish into a beautiful flower shape. Take your time and make sure the cuts are smooth and even. Now, let's create the leaves for our flower plant. Take the green part of the radish and carefully cut out leaf shapes. You can use a template or draw the shapes freehand. Attach the leaves to the stem of the flower using a toothpick or a small skewer. Moving on, cut the radish into a triangle shape and make small holes in it. These holes will help us attach the carrot blossoms later. Now select a fresh carrot and cut out small blossoms and flower designs. Use a sharp knife and carefully cut out the shapes. Next, make a base from the red part of the radish. Cut out a rectangular shape and attach it to the stem of the flower using a toothpick or a small skewer. Now, attach a rectangular design to the base above, and then add another rectangle above it, angled at 45 degrees. This will give our design some depth and dimension. Now it's time to add our flowers and leaves to the design. Attach the carrot blossoms to the radish using toothpicks or small skewers. Arrange the leaves and flowers in a way that looks visually appealing to you. And that's it! Our beautiful flower design is ready. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more fun and creative tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Happy crafting, and I'll see you in the next video.